My name is Daria and this is my sequential sketchbook video. On the cover you can see the sculpture of the metallic bee. I was very inspired by it, so I decided to make a pattern of bees with a lot of dot work. The next drawing is about mark making too and a bit of collage. Then I decided to change the material I worked with and draw more bees, and then even more bees. I decided to work like with mass of it. Don't know really. Then I just made a graphic work with pencil, the same like a lot of bees. Oh, this one is very nice, as I think. I made a stamp out of plaster and just made a lot of things like which looked like bees. I really love this work. The second is the work with typography, because like after replication a lot of bees, I decided to work with typography. And again, the collage here. I was out of everything. I was out of ideas, and I just made a character. This character was inspired by a bee character, with, as you can see, there are like stripes, and I don't know really, but I just had this picture in my mind after looking at another one, and there is also the connection between like colors. Then I was just drawing this character again and again. Then I just decided to change a little bit the theme. I made this character walking like in the woods, because after drawing a lot of mark making like drawings, I came to this cloudy forms also, which for me looked like wings of some bird or insect. And I just decided to continue with the mark making, and I made this pencil drawing and also the next one. So I was just like working with this type. Oh well, this one picture is also just inspiration connected to the mark making, and I just changed. I just moved into something more abstract for me, and I decided to work more with these cloudy forms and draw some abstract things. Then I decided to work with markers, maybe the water markers, different materials together. After that, I thought of what can I do more about that, and I decided to work with paint, and also with I decided to cut out some stencils made out of forms I used in the previous drawings, and then I worked with the spray paint and also with just acrylic and a sponge. And this is a lot of spray paint. I just wanted to experiment really. This is ink, and I really love this kind of material, and I also experimented with stencils and ink. Then I just made a pattern with using 2 colors of ink and the same stencil. And again, but with using pencils. Then I was using the same stencils but in different way. And actually, at the end of the sketchbook, I just came to a lot of like experimenting with abstract forms and just working in a very weird way. Then I was bored of it, and I just like by the inspiration of this splashy cloudy forms, I made a character who has hair and a beard made out of some kind of weird liquid. after that, I just started to draw this character, but in some different way, and I wanted to work with these characters more. Then I just started to draw sneakers, and some other characters who look like this. Then I changed the direction again, and I started to draw some kind of facial expressions. Then I just thought of more like characters, and I really, really loved like my idea of working with simple geometric forms and making a character out of it. I think I saw it somewhere, but like for me it was logical to use it here, like some connection with like faces. And then I just started to draw the characters out of these simple forms I made, but in color. And this is the last picture, just a girl with a lot of flowers. Yep, that is it. That's it. Thank you for listening. I really hope that it wasn't too boring for you. Thank you.